In times of crisis, it's not just the storm, but the recovery that tests a community's strength. As Typhoon Ulan leaves its mark, the Philippine National Police is stepping up to ensure the safety of evacuees across affected regions. Ryan Lasigas tells us more.
The Philippine National Police is closely monitoring the various evacuation centers in regions strongly hit by Ulan. The PNP Women's Desk is particularly focused on safeguarding vulnerable sectors like children, women, and the elderly. According to the Directorate for Community Relations Deputy Director, Police Brigadier General Vina Guzman, this initiative aims to prevent any form of abuse inside evacuation centers.
Napaka-importante po ng papel ng Women's Desk sa mga evacuation center. As for previous experiences po, doon nagkakaroon ng mga violence against women, especially po trafficking. Nandun po ang mga vulnerable sector, mga kababayan. So sa mga ganitong pagkakataon po ay may mga nananamantala.
Based on data from the DPCR of the PNP, more than 442,000 families, equivalent to over 1.4 million individuals, have been evacuated and are currently staying in more than 9,000 evacuation centers in areas severely affected by Ulan. Security in these evacuation centers remains peaceful and orderly.
As of this reporting po, we have not received any reports of any looting or criminal incident.
More than 21,000 police personnel are currently deployed in regions 2, 4A, 4B, 5, and 8. Apart from providing security in evacuation centers, they are also assisting in relief distributions and clearing operations to ensure that relief goods reach even the remotest areas without delay.
Wala pa po kaming natatanggap na request from the affected regions for reinforcement. Naka-ready naman po, naka-standby po ang ating RSSF dito sa national headquarters at saka mga adjacent regions po. Meron tayong mga standby forces doon. In the event po na magkaroon ng request ang mga police regional offices for augmentation.
As of now, all regional offices of the PNP directly affected by the typhoon remain under full alert status. Ryan Lasigas from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.